Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve WAN or WAN network connections error that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer where it is unable to connect to the internet. So WAN connections error is unusual and it crops up when there is something wrong with the ports on the router, the ISPs infrastructure, the cables, or the outlet. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to diagnose your network adapter. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. So here at search for apps, and then you need to type view network connections. Alright, so just type this command keyword view network connections and then click open. And the next step, then you need to select your Wi-Fi connections. Alright, so all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then you need to select diagnose, so click. And we will redirect here at help and support diagnose your network connections. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step procedures and methods you can see here on a screen to fix the error or the issue. Alright, so once it's done here, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to flash the DNS. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then here at search for apps, and then you need to type a CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword ipconfig space slash DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig space slash DNS and press enter. And successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword NATSH space WANSAC space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space WANSAC space reset and then press enter. And successfully reset the WANSAC catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. And then we need to close this CMD, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix WAN connections error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.